Right after the 2011 earthquakes, our home was substantially damaged on 3 walls, some of the major windows, and a lot of cosmetic interior damage. Mark's partner Courtney, who normally gave us lunch at her cafeteria, recommended Mark as a damn good builder. And when approached, he outlined his solutions to restore our home to be in watertight, warm and presented in a modern manner. Mark's professionalism and building skills exceeded our expectations, and the finish was of a very high standard. Mark worked diligently, fast and around our continued occupancy. I have on several recent occasions recommended Mark to others who are repairing or restoring their damaged homes. A skilled and pleasant builder is often difficult to find, and the result is much sought after. Thanks, Mark.